The Hoover Commercial Hushtone Cordless Upright is equipped with a status indicator panel to alert users of required maintenance. If a red light appears next to the bag icon, check to see if the bag needs replaced or if there is an obstruction in the air path. If the bag needs replacing, pull the release latch to open the door. Rotate the bag release lever, pull the tab to remove the bag, and throw it away. Then, slide the replacement bag into the bag holder and tuck it in until it's securely in place. Rotate the bag release lever into the lock position and re-secure the bag door. If there is an obstruction in the air path, press the orange release button and pull down on the upper hose cup to remove the flex hose. Twist the hose counterclockwise and pull it from the lower holder and remove the blockage. And if the obstruction is in the wand, use the wand release button to separate the hose and remove the obstruction. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact us.